Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to know about how long it takes to get your insurance agent license, and also about social media marketing as well? There is a certain process in order to get the insurance agent license. It requires passing a background check, taking the licensing course, giving the examination, and lastly, passing it. It might take from few to several weeks for you to get the license. Insurance marketing has additionally made its stride in the innovation world. Social media having the power in itself, insurance agents in Florida and organizations are logically using it in order to contact and reach the policyholders. When using social media as a platform to promote businesses, you need to be thoughtful and strategic. Here are some social media strategies for insurance agents. 1. Knowing your client's communication preference. 2. Being thought with their content. 3. Knowing when to post. 4. Paying attention to the social signals. 5. Keeping the website updated and fresh. You can know more about these by clicking the link in the description box below. Also, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching.